Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be looking at how to record like your guitar signal through the Valeton GP200. So first, you usually do the regular connection from your guitar to the input jack of the board, and you also connect the USB-C cable. So let me show you on the board. The USB cable goes over here. The USB cable comes here. This is your power, and then we have the input over here. Over here I'm using a wireless connection. This is not a sponsored video though, but this is the wireless connection that I use. So you first do this connection on the board, then you just jump into your PC. So over here there's a Vox type of tone. So let's jump into the door. So I'm using GarageBand for this particular type of demonstration, how to record your audio, your guitar through like the guitar audio workstation. So over here you realize by default it selects the input type of 1. There are 6 different types of input. That's if you want to record in mono, but you can pair and then record in like stereo, so you can have both left and right. But in the case, let's say you do not see this over here in your DAW, you can always go to the preferences or the settings and then do the connection. So I'm choosing my board as the input and then the output, so that I can use my earpiece or headset to as the monitor. But if you have a sound card, then you probably do the connection from your output of the board straight to the sound card, and you just do it. But in case you do not have the sound card, this is the video for you. So after you've gone through the preferences, over here I'm using a Mac, so it might be different for Windows users, or if let's say you are using Ableton or Fruity Loops or Cubase, the term will be a little bit different, probably settings. So when you do that, you see the board over here selected as 1, and you, by default, I think it's the output is very low for this particular, so you can change it to a different one. So we have 6 types of input for different purposes. So usually what I do is I pair. I want to record in stereo, so I click this to pair like 2 inputs, and I usually use the 3rd and then the 4th. So when you hit the record button, you realize you are recording 2 audios at the same time, both left and then the right. So supposing you have a ping pong delay in there, let me change this to a ping pong delay. Let me sync it. So you realize I get to enjoy both left and right of the signal that or whatever that I'm playing with. Let me go back to the default. So this is how the tone sounds like. So I'm just using the 3rd and the 4th pair to do this particular type of recording. So this is how it is. So when I stop the audio recording over here, you realize I get both left channel and the right channel over here. So This is basically how to record your Valeton GP200 using the USB method. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.